Can you program your Chevy Malibu flip key yourself? Yes, especially if you're just adding a key. For all keys lost scenarios, it's trickier but still possible. This involves interacting with the car's body control module, BCM, using an OBD2 tool. Since 2020, costs for these tools have dropped, making DIY more accessible. However, GM's anti-theft systems can complicate things. Without the right equipment, DIY attempts have a 20–30% failure rate. Dealers still charge $100 to $300 for this service, but doing it yourself can save you money if you're careful. To program a key for your 2014-2016 Chevy Malibu, you'll need an OBD2 scanner that supports BCM reprogramming. Tools like the Autel MaxiSys or Foxwell NT510 can work for this purpose. First, access the OBD2 port in your vehicle. Then enter programming mode and add the new key codes. For all keys lost situations, you'll need to bypass the security system, often requiring special software like GMSPS and a calculated PIN. A common mistake is using the wrong tools, which can lock the BCM and require a dealer reset. While DIY is more viable than ever, professional tools prevent errors. If unsure, seek help from a professional.